let's see, what we are going to do today. The materials that we need is we need a transparent glass or a plastic bottle. Okay. And we need vinegar 250 ml, and we need any type of vegetable oil 500 ml, and we need a food coloring powder 20 grams, and we would need baking soda 100 grams, and we need a small bowl and a spoon for mixing things. Okay, so hope all of you are having the materials. Step one is we need to add the baking soda to the bottle. Okay, what we have. So depending on the bottle size, you can use, you can add as much as you want. So for example, you can see our instructor, Adish sir, is actually going to add the baking soda powder into the bottle. And you have to add the baking soda to a level where you can see 1 centimeter of it deposited in the bottom. Okay, don't add too much. Okay, so depending on the bottle size, you can actually use the powder, right? So what we have told is the maximum amount, but you can also use a lesser quantity depending on the bottle that you are having. Okay, so the baking soda should be at the bottom in such a way that 1 centimeter of it is actually filled. The bottom 1 centimeter of the bottle is filled with the baking soda. Sir? Yes, yeah, that much is fine. Good. Samin, you are doing?
Yes, sir.
So I will repeat the step. Step what we are going to do, right? We need to mix the coloring powder to a vinegar. Okay, so take the coloring powder or a coloring liquid. Okay, first what you do is take a small bowl or a small cup, add vinegar to it. Okay, little bit of vinegar. Okay, then use the food coloring powder, and you need to use the spoon and mix it. Take a small bowl or a cup, put the vinegar and put the color powder, and then add. So what we have done is, first step, we put the baking powder, baking soda into the bottle in such a way that 1 centimeter of it is deposited. Then second step, we are mixing the food coloring powder to the vinegar. You can add it in such a way that it is little dark. Okay. Yes.
Sir, we have to put the vinegar in this glass, or we have to put the food coloring on the vinegar glass?
No, you have to mix it separately. Take another bowl or cup. There you have to mix it, not in the one which has baking powder, baking soda. Okay. Next step now. Can you proceed to the next step? Yes. Okay. So for the next step, what we need to do is we need to pour the oil into the cup where we have kept the baking soda, like this. Okay. So pour the oil in such a way that it comes till the top, not to the extreme top. So take the oil and pour it into the bowl which has the baking soda. Pour it slowly so that it gets filled. Depending on the glass that you're having, fill the cup with oil to a level where it's not till the extreme top, but to some extent. You can use any type of oil. I hope you children have done we can see here, the baking soda is the bottom and the oil is filled here. If you're using a small bottle, you can use that much itself, right? Now let me show you what I'm going to do. So this is the one where we have filled the baking soda and the oil, and we have separately mixed the food coloring powder and kept it in the separate bowl, right? So what you can do, you can take a little bit of it, okay, and just put it inside. Just spread it out and put it inside. Okay, and little bit of it, put it inside and wait for some time for it to start reacting. Okay, then you can see, the bubbles starting to come, right? Now, if you just use your torch light and if you put it in this, you'll be able to see here in video, it's not able to come properly, but when you put it, you will be able to see, proper lava coming to the top.